Hello everyone, this is Biplab Chakraborty from Brighter Genie and welcome to this channel. In this channel, we mainly discuss about brand development, brand building and digital marketing. Today we will discuss one of the part that is email marketing from digital marketing. This will be a 10-part series and this is the first part where we will talk about email marketing and its basics. The first question that pops up is, what is email marketing? Email marketing is a part of digital marketing, like affiliate marketing is a part of digital marketing. So in email marketing, we collect email addresses of persons from our niche. This is also known as list building. Here we send emails, also known as newsletters, of different products, services, links to our blog to drive website traffic or to boost our conversions. What are the benefits of email marketing? The two main benefits according to me is its price and simplicity. Price because you can send up to 100,000 emails for only $10. For this you have to build your own email marketing system, which I will explain in the course further. Now the second point is simplicity. There are many companies like MailerLite, MailChimp, Aweber, GetResponse who manage all those systems for you, where you can collect email addresses from different niche, from persons of different niche, and they will help you in managing the automation, the campaign, the form building, the landing pages development, to everything from top to bottom. These are the two main benefits of email marketing that I think, according to me, are the best. The most important point that I think email marketing is very important and relevant, because ROI in email marketing is 4,400%, which is insane and is not present in any of the marketing systems present in digital marketing or any type of marketing worldwide. Is email marketing still relevant? Of course, yes. 94% of internet users use email, whereas only 61% use social media. 75% of online marketers say that their preferred method of marketing is email marketing. Now, there is a feature known as opt-in feature. I will talk about that later in details, where customers or subscribers join with their consent, so that you can send them newsletters, email, promotional newsletters, and products and services that and also links to your blogs, where they can come and increase your website traffic. Now there are different types of formatting methods in email marketing. There are different type of templates where you can increase your conversions. I will talk about email templates later on. When you build your list, you can very much narrow it down to your specific niche by targeting your location, by targeting the demographics, by targeting different interests, and also the people who love your content. In email marketing, there are different reporting and analytics like click-through rates, like bounce rates, like conversions. So you can get a detailed analysis of your campaigns that you are sending, which is not possible in any type of other marketing or digital marketing apart from email marketing. Now, as you have understood the email marketing relevance in our industry, now let's talk about what are the types of email marketers. I basically think there are two types of email marketers. The first one are bulk mailers, second one are straight marketers. The bulk mailers are those who send bulk emails to email subscribers who actually don't subscribe, but they scrape emails and send bulk mails without their consent. I strongly disagree with this type of marketers, and if you are these bulk mailers or spammers, please don't watch this. Now if you want to be a straight marketer who collect email through specific methods by lead magnets, I will explain each and every, don't get confused with the terms I am using. I will explain each and everything in due course. What is lead magnets, what is the relevance of lead magnets, how you can make your own lead magnet, what are the types of lead magnets. So I will explain. Lead magnets are those by which you can collect mail by giving a freebie. Now when we collect mails by giving a freebie or promoting our content, that is known as straight marketers. After they have given consent and we have collected their email address, we will send them email marketing newsletters or promotions that they have given consent to. Now let us dive a little deep into the email marketing architecture. Now you have to understand that there are two main important things that help us in sending emails. The first is the SMTP. This is a technical part, and I will show you SMTP step by step. It is a sender. You just think it as a sender. And the second thing is that the mailing application, where you will manage your campaigns, build your list, manage your list, and also connect with the SMTP to send the emails. When you connect these both, the SMTP and the mailing application, you get your email marketing system. Now there are two options for you. The first one is subscribing to a SMTP like Amazon AWS or Mailgun, etc. And connecting a mailing application like MailWiz or Mailstar. The second choice that you get is if you subscribe to a email marketing automation tool like MailChimp, Aweber, GetResponse or MailerLite. Here both the SMTP and also the sending application are connected, where you can manage all those things in a single dashboard. Although it is a lot much expensive than the email marketing system if you build on your own. The only cons which I may say in your email marketing automation is that it may take about 2 to 3 days to get approved to connect your SMTP with the sending application like Mailstar or MailWiz. But rather than that, you can send up to 100,000 emails for $10, which is impossible in an email marketing automation tool like MailChimp or MailerLite. So we conclude our video here. On the next video, we will dive deep into some technical terminologies like what are SPF, what are DKIM, what are DMARC records, and why are they important, what are spam triggers, what are bounce emails, what are lead magnets, what are list building, and how important is list building, how different types of lead magnets are available now, and what are the most effective ones. So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also like the video. It really helps in our algorithm. Thank you. And now please don't get overwhelmed with the terminologies I have discussed, with the things that I have told, because over time you will get habituated with it. And also when I will share my screen, I will give each and every practical of what I have discussed today and what I will discuss tomorrow, because I want to build a overall structure in your head so that you can understand the terms, you can understand the concepts before we dive into practical. Now thank you very much. I conclude my video here.